Hello and welcome back to today's Morning Report chart appraisals with me, Rich Ferry, market analyst at Handtech Markets on Thursday the 28th of August. Moving on to dollar yen now, and the yen has started to claw back some of this lost ground as the dollar yen has fallen away, just slightly unwinding some of this move to the upside. And what we've seen here is this consolidation phase just drifting back towards 103.50. Now my feeling about this is that I see this as a positive move, really. I think that the RSI did obviously get overstretched, 78 to 79. It's just now dipped below 70. Now, theoretically, you could argue that that is a crossover sell signal, but I do not believe that would be a wise thing to do in this scenario. I see that, in my opinion, crossover sell signals only really work in sideways markets, and this, I believe, is now changed into a trend, more of a trending market for this dollar yen, and I believe that this correction is ultimately going to provide us with a nice buying opportunity between 103 and 103.50. You could argue that you could get some pips to the downside with this correction, but I don't see that I think it's a risky trade personally. I think that the bulls are in control of this, and it's just unwinding some of this overbought momentum. I don't see that this is going to get too far to the downside before that there is another opportunity to buy for the bulls. But as I said, you could see that near-term correction, and arguably that 103.50 level does support a top pattern. But yeah, as I said, I think any correction back towards a 103 figure, I believe, would be seen as an opportunity to buy on this chart now, and I think that that is what ultimately we're going to see. Players of very short-term markets could therefore take an opportunity for the downside, but I think ultimately, if you're more of a medium-term outlook trader, then I think using this, waiting for this correction to form support and then using it as a chance to buy, I think is probably the safer option to play. Anyway, lots of US data out today. If it comes out strongly, could also give support to this dollar yen chart. The caveat to this chart, I believe, is some of the reason why we're seeing it, the yen strength is just a slight increase in tensions, in geopolitical tensions surrounding eastern Ukraine, and hence a slight safe haven shift that we've seen today. Certainly. Seeing in the dollar yen anyway, so that could be the one of the reasons why. But sticking close to that news story may well help you with this chart anyway today. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.